The Chief Executive Officer of the National Solid Waste Management Authority, NSWMA, Audley Gordon, says he wants to make sure Jamaica understands that the fire at the Riverton City community this morning is in no way related to operations at the dump. Mr. Gordon says he's disappointed that some are trying to convey that message to the public.
The brigade says the blaze at Riverton on Sunday started at midnight and lasted some 10 hours before they managed to get it under control. Hundreds of tires were on fire, as it seems someone had purposefully set them ablaze.
This area in Riverton has been a section of a community that has given a lot of problems over the years. It is not the first. We have had situations of that nature occurring along that corridor in Riverton City.
But Chief Executive Officer of the National Solid Waste Management Authority, NSWMA, Audley Gordon, was at pains trying to make it clear that the fire was not on the dump site.
The fire at this time is on Portland Road, which is just after you enter the community from the Spanish Town Road. We are now at the disposal site at Riverton, where, as you can see, it is quite calm over here. We have trucks going in and out with regularity.
His declaration, though, was of little comfort, as the smoke pollution from the Riverton community was once again on the front burner for environmentalists. The Jamaica Environment Trust, JET, released a statement on their Facebook page concerning the fire. The statement reads in part, quote, "This morning, we have once again awoken to the news of yet another huge fire in the area surrounding the Riverton City dump in Kingston. The fact that the dump continues to proliferate illegal tire burning in the communities surrounding the site speaks to poor management of Jamaica's solid waste and lack of enforcement of the associated legislation." Mr. Gordon said he was unhappy with the statement, especially since he says he spoke with representatives of JET before they released the statement.
We just want to say how unfortunate it is, though, that reputable agencies such as the Environment Trust, the Jamaica Environment Trust, would have put out a statement which seeks to implicate the Riverton City disposal site in this recent fire. Well, let me just say categorically that nothing of the sort. We are not in any way, shape or form complicit in this fire. And it's unfortunate also because I have spoken with the CEO of JET before the statement and told her exactly where the fire was.
There were no loss of life, but a pig farmer said he lost all his pigs because of the blaze.
Lose 151 hog, 25 pregnant.
Spanish Town Road was blocked off to vehicular traffic for hours to give the fire department enough room to work. That caused a traffic nightmare for some, but for others, an opportunity to enjoy a game of football. Firefighters from several stations in the corporate area fought the blaze, and at least one resident of the Riverton City community commended their effort.
We need to commend the Jamaica Fire Brigade. The gentlemen them do such a splendid job. We haven't lost a house, we haven't lost a life, and we give God thanks.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.